Dear students, today I am going to teach you the lesson second, bringing up curry. Curry is the name of the elephant the writer was given to bring up. Curry was 5 months old when the writer started bringing up curry. The writer took care of curry. He provided food for curry. Every day he would take curry to the riverside and make him bath. Curry was fond of bathing in the river. He bathed in the river for an hour. The writer rubbed his body and he enjoyed in bathing. The writer would go to the jungle and he started cutting the soft twigs for the food of curry. By that time, curry enjoyed bathing in the river. One day, curry was bathing in the river. He saw a boy sinking. Curry decided to save the life of that drowning boy. First, he cried for the writer. The writer heard his cry and came from the jungle. When he came to the riverside, he saw curry was struggling in river water to save the child. The writer also went. The writer and curry both saved the life of the drowning boy. The elephant needs training like the children. He does mischief also. Once upon a time, the writer describes someone gave ripe bananas to curry. Curry tasted it and it was very good for him. So he started stealing bananas from the dining table. For this stealing of the fruits, the writer and his servant both were blamed. The writer was very sad. He decided to find out who is stealing the fruits from the dining table. One day he saw some smashed fruit in the thatched roof of curry. Then the writer suspected it was none but curry who is stealing the fruits from the dining table. One day, as usual, curry came outside of the house. With help of his trunk, he decided to take bananas from the dining table. The writer was sitting there. He saw it. He ran behind curry. Then his theft was discovered by the writer. The elephant, who is pet, needs training. He needs when to sit down, when to move. Out of these trainings, the most important training for the elephant is the master call. The elephant learns this master call in about 5 years. This is very important for the pet elephant to understand it. The master call is very important training for the elephant. If the elephant learns the master call, he can be useful for the master in the critical condition. When he hears the master call in the jungle, he thinks that his master is in the trouble. Then he runs for the help of his master. When he moves for the help, even the dangerous animals do not dare coming in the way of the elephant. That time the elephant is very dangerous. He has only one motive to help his master. This training is very important for the elephant, and it takes long time to understand this master call. The writer describes his experience of bringing up Kari, how he spent his time with Kari, and he lived happily with Kari. I shall send you the question later.